So Bitcoin is still continuing its uptrend towards the upside, but right now it's the most important time to have a look into the Bitcoin charts because we are running in towards one of the most important resistance levels for Bitcoin. And this alongside with the fact that we are having a lot of bearish signals right now coming into the Bitcoin charts. So we definitely do want to be having a look in towards this in this update video. So can we once again smash the likes up above the 30 likes? And without further ado, let's jump right into the analysis. So first of all, let's start off with the short-term Bitcoin price and then we'll jump in towards the longer-term Bitcoin charts because then it all starts to make sense for you guys. So first of all, in the short term, yeah, you can currently be seeing that we are losing this support level once again, and this is causing in the very short term a huge dump to happen once again. And definitely for the short term, I am expecting that we are going to be hitting this support level right here. And guys, I will be talking about exactly my targets right here for this downwards move that I am going to be expecting. I am going to be talking about the exact price targets right here a little bit later in this video. But right there, first of all, you can also be seeing that we are creating some kind of a downward sloping parallel channel and also a horizontal parallel channel right now that we are once again breaking down off. So in the very short term, yeah, we are also losing our middle line support as you can be seeing right here, and we are also losing this support right here. So it definitely looks like if we can once again get a rejection from of this middle line support, we are going to be hitting this target right here, and in that scenario, well, we are also going to be hitting our green support box. So in the very short term, we might be expecting some kind of a support coming in from of this green support box right here. And then having a look into the longer term charts and the exact reasonings of why I am getting kind of a bit bearish right here in the short term. Well, we are hitting one of the most important resistance levels right now, and I do not expect we are going to be breaking this resistance level in just one try. And at the same time, well, we are also hitting this massive resistance level right here, and in the previous times, well, we did get major rejections coming in from of this level whenever we did hit this level. And also at the same time, having a look into the 3-day time frame, we are also seeing these bearish divergences on the MACD indicator, on the RSI indicator, and also on the money flow index indicator right here, which is definitely indicating that yes, we are going to be seeing some downwards momentum coming into the market. And we can also be seeing the same on the daily time frame. We are seeing this MACD bearish divergence, and also on the money flow indicator we are also seeing this bearish divergence being formed, which in the past times we also did right here. And yes, that time we did get this downwards push, which I am going to be expecting right now as well. And right here once again as well, we are also creating some kind of a rising wedge right here, which is a typical bearish reversal pattern. So if we are going to be getting this breakdown of this rising wedge formation, well, we can definitely be expecting lower targets getting reached. And in this scenario, well, the target would be all the way down towards the 23.9k level. But I do think we will already be taking our profits right here a bit earlier at about the 25k level, and I'm going to be explaining exactly why right here. So of course, as you guys do know, in the longer term trend right here, I am definitely still bullish for Bitcoin. We are still in a very major uptrend for Bitcoin. Our EMA ribbons are still very bullish, and also our super trend indicator is still indicating this bull trend. So definitely whenever you are in this bull trend, well, you definitely do want to be having a look in towards long opportunities rather than short opportunities. So yeah, right now in the short term, we might be expecting some kind of a cool off, but I will not be expecting that this bull trend will be ending and will be transitioning in towards a bear trend. I just do not see that happening right now, and that is also the reason why I'm still eyeing this parabolic move being created. So whenever we will be cooling off for the Bitcoin price, which is going to be very likely, well, I do expect in the end of the day this parabolic move still being created, and still in the end of the day we are going to be seeing higher prices getting reached. So that is also the reason why, yeah, we want to be of course shorting this breakdown of this rising wedge formation, but also we do want to be catching right here the bottom once again and longing this once again, because in the end of the day we will be seeing higher prices getting reached. So then having a look into the short term right here, yes, of course we are expecting some kind of a bounce from off this green support area, but whenever we will be hitting this red area right here, we will of course also be filling our CME gap which we have been creating over here. So that is definitely a very bullish indication, and from of that level, whenever we are going to be hitting this red zone, well, I am definitely expecting some kind of a reaction in towards the market. And also at the same time, whenever we are going to be hitting that level, we will also be hitting this upward sloping support trend right here. So yeah, I can already be saying that this red support level is going to be the level where I am already going to be taking some massive profits right here. But then for the longer term, I'm still going to be eyeing this 25k level going to get hit once again, this 25k support level. So yeah, for the longer term, I definitely do think it is going to be healthy to see once again a rejection coming in towards this level, and then once again this uptrend starting to get created, and then eventually we will be breaking this resistance level, and then we will be seeing massive green candles towards the upside. So that's currently where I am looking in towards. And also I do want to remind you guys, well, the Fed is still going to be increasing very likely their interest rates right here, so this is definitely a very bearish signal. And yeah, in the end of Q4 it is expected that they once again are going to be decreasing their interest rates, so that will be the time that we want to be flipping very bullish for Bitcoin right here. And right now is not yet the time, although we are in this very strong uptrend, we do want to be longing, but right now is not the massive bull market that we all have been waiting for. We first do want to be seeing the Bitcoin halving coming in towards the market, and we also do want to be seeing the Fed cutting the rates once again, and then we are going to be flipping ultra bullish. So right now we definitely do want to be respecting the bearish signals, and we are going to be very likely going to be seeing any sort of a rejection coming in towards the market right here. So yeah, this was it for me for today's update video. Be sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.